Alright, go for some more co-op racing.
Attention all co-op racers. Co-op fastest time to 7 laps. Heat 1 round 11. Here we go. Two minutes.
Time flies.
Randy speed 17.6. David speed 17.9. ET speed 16.0.
Oh, it's only 0.3 better.
Randy, 34.3, co-op lap 1. David, 38.2, co-op lap 2.
Oh, it's cooking.
Randy speed 20.1. ET, 43.4, co-op lap 3. David speed 18.3. ET speed 17.3.
Oof. In the big boys club.
1 minute. Randy, 34.4, co-op lap 4. Randy speed 19.1.
Hello.
David, 39.3, co-op lap 5. ET, 41.1, co-op lap 6. David speed 18.6. 30 seconds. ET speed 13.8.
Who's gonna do it? Must be Randy coming up.
Randy, 40.2,
There he goes.
co-op lap 7. Race done. Success. New best co-op time is 150.6. Previous co-op time was 203.5. 12.9 ahead. David, 35.1.
12 seconds off of it. 12.9. Alright, we gotta switch to 10 laps.
ET, 43.8.
It's going too fast.
You think that's fast?
I
It's really hard holding my breath that long.
So, Eric, a typical race is